It's a good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Dumisani Matebula here as Mr. Hashtag 60 Minutes with DG. As I told you during the course of the week that I'm going to be out in Akonu getting to know this old and beautiful woman next to me, Mrs. Zwane. Ladies and gentlemen, let us get to know this beautiful old woman. Anyway, she just turned 60. Wow. But we're gonna be getting to know more on that when we're busy talking to her. Manana Zwan, me forgive. Ah, that's some voice nyana me yeah. Before blah blah shakdala. Ingala kutiva ku Manana Zwan imanka kahle.
Manana Zwane I
Ngafanya voice nyana.
Manana Zwane I hope wakazwane and we angatsariwa pala Akonu kanjangu wa 7 yabana.
Okay.
Washimuna umwana bashisatu ba 6.
Yeah.
Nina 4 yabana, 2 boys and 2 girls.
Okay.
And I was also blessed with 2 grandchildren. Yeah.
All right. You can just take us through. Ema kulele nyamwe. As seminga itaka tsongo ku 4 na batukulu ba mbili. Marani would love to know mikurise kuyini ekula ekala mtaka yako.
Yeah, my childhood was a blessed one.
Okay.
My father was a successful businessman.
Beautiful.
And he was a founder with my mother. Yeah, church. Nazarene Revival Church.
Okay.
Kobala Akonu Mara Green Valley. I'm happy to say I was one of the chorus leaders by then. So she said the worship team. Karwalo our a chorus leader and I thank God for that.
Yeah.
And he was a successful businessman. Afford
Okay.
Nikumekeni bana kateko wakundia at Teflop. Lena mtaimu waka University of Limpopo. Nina degree. And that's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Katikase ningona kuchekala. I understand. Mingawa mikule eka familia kubeni parents could afford this and that. Mara community ayirinjani eka mwe because you know ila kuganya ila actually njani solo komikula na with your peers abarinjani pamwe.
Baba wame are down to earth na mama wame. Lero she endle kuna ina eba down to earth.
Okay.
Vanhu va hi amukela leswi hi xiswona va hi twisisa va hi tsakela. Lero na namuntlha na lava hi nga hlangana na vona nkarhi wolowo va hi tsakela hi leswi vutomi byi xiswona. I think lexi nga endla ku swi va kahle hi ndlela leyi a va amukele hosi leyi a yi ri yona yi va nyika direction a ku nga ri na pride a ku nga ri na nchumu. That's why ni nga vula ku a hi vanga na challenge ya ku vanhu va hi sideline or anything.
So everything actually kahle.
Everything actually kahle. Na va ri vanhu lava va pfuna vanhu. Lero vanhu va ku tala loko va ri na need va ku tala va kumeke va dyondzisiwa kokwalaya kaya. That's why a hi vanga na problem na vanhu va le handle. Community even today there are some of the things loko swi nga endleki tanika for instance xikombiso senta munhu la ku humanyana there was a time la ku ri na funeral ye attenda va sesi wa meme a ni nga ri kona loko ku karhi ku humiwa ku yiwa swirhapeni ku ze ku va na bava wun'wana holova a ku loko a ha ri kona mukhalabye a hi nga ta va na problem ya transport mari mhaka ku selen'we a ku fanele ku femwe hi misaveni ku kombisa ku a hi ri na relationship ya kahle na community a va na problem.
So swale leswo hinkwaswo tanihi munhu wena swi ku dyondzise yini leswi mi nga dyondza ka vatswari va n'wina?
Swi ni dyondzise vumunhu. Ni tiva munhu un'wana hi mhaka leswi ni nga kurisiwa xiswona. Hi tshame na vanhu va ku tala ku dyondzisiwa vanhu va ku tala ku endliwa swo tala laha kaya. Lero swi endle ku hi tiva munhu ku i munhu hi wun'wana munhu. A hi vuli nkarhi wun'wana ni ku loko kaya kumbe ku ri na something ni tekela munhu un'wana hansi. Swi hi dyondzise mhaka yikulu swinene. Lero hi khensa vatswari va hina hi ndlela leyi va nga hi kurisa hi yona. Hi tiva munhu un'wana namuntlha hi mhaka ya makurisiwelo lama hi nga kurisisiwa xiswona.
Beautiful. Wherever you are sitting, chilling at home, in your car, wherever you are, note that I'm talking to Mrs. Zwane. This is hashtag 60 minutes with Didi. And yes, hashtag equality dating, hashtag kuname. That's why kunanzika. You can tell everybody to share this video on their watch party and this while they're busy sharing it live and everywhere in all the platforms. It's Instagram at matebula.dumisani, on Facebook Dumisani Matebula. As we're getting to know this beautiful old lady, you're so beautiful. Umtari and also Kanaba Leka. Ninga Samsela ku one lekaya. Your involvement between you and the husband,
my children and I, we have extremely close. We are extremely close.
Yeah.
In a good relationship. Ningavula so we are looking for family farmer. Ningavula leshaku between me and Bala, more especially like or maybe little over the phone. You cannot tell blah 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 the way that goes go. You think maybe the blah blah one of my friends.
Oh.
Yeah. We can talk about everything or anything. With each other.
I think maybe I'm getting something wrong or right here.
Yeah.
You're saying when you talk to them over the phone.
Yeah.
Shingaba shimla yile shibana we bana ba awathamina bona bakuyiba endai.
Bakurile bamwe batira bamwe ba esikolweni bamwe bayitile bahle bayenza someone futhi bayenza ti honors bayenza ti masters. Yeah, I nabona so shibana ayosala lithuba aphala ka.
Mazikotanyana moti tsamela miritu.
Moti tsamela iritu.
Yeah.
I used to that I not problem.
So la bana ba kona ba family ba esikolweni ba tonzile. Nikomeyina yiko la kabana bama dokotela inesi teacher.
Dokotela iti lawyer bayesha become law utiralomia eshamtanya kuna la bangayenza become logistics logistics.
Beautiful. I think you hearing that from where she grew up, from her parents. That's why today we're having this successful business woman here. We're still going to get more, and just a hint, she is married to a doctor. Right. You've just turned 60 and you look a bit young. Because you just turned 60. And once I go South Africa, and nakwa nema kumatela ukulawula nanyana wakuveniswa nyana ikona kwala tikweni.
Shundla shako.
Yeah.
I shundla ngovu ntobela ku it's God's grace.
Amen.
And the other thing, eat healthy. And utiranza. Uhlamba. Lokhu wasayithe. Ufanele uhlamba. Awutiphala phashi uhlamba. Yeah, I think shundla leshingako. And drink a lot of water.
Yeah. Ban mayana bakutala batingenisa kasho shakudala. Ishinyingi leswi va swi endlaka. They don't look, I mean those who are 20 or who are in their late 20s, they look like you today. Ni nga va byela swa ku yini bona?
Ni nga va byela ku va stopa mnandi. Mnandi hi wo va dlayaka.
Yeah.
And they are unfortunate. I was telling someone who were unfortunate. Kuna COVID-19, kuna HIV, AIDS. Unlike hina, minkarhini ya kahle. Swi lava va limita mnandi. Va titiva ku hi vo va mani. Na ku va hanyela yini ku hanya. U titiva na wun'wana swa ku u hanyela wun'wini a wu hanyela wun'wanyana.
It's hashtag 60 minutes with Didi, getting to know Mrs. Zwane here. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Temnopho. These ones, they help you increase the chances of getting employment. They also have these career opportunities: customer service, consultant, receptionist, salesperson, and call center agent. You can get them at 011-394-1424 kumbe eka 076 828378. Masiku lama kudyondzisa ka wona, it's 10 days theory and 10 days practicals. Mali mo hakelaka, it's 4,500 rand. Registration, it's 500 rand, non-refundable. Requirement, it's only grade 10. Space, it's limited. Run now. You must hurry up now and you go and register. This is your building. For the first time, around late 2000, there was someone who was buried that site where I grew up in Gunyama Hebe. So it was for the first time you wanna see doors. It's like, yo, this is powerful.
Yeah.
Tell us, what kind of business or businesses do you do?
I run a funeral parlor,
Yeah.
And it is called Freeman Funeral Services. I think I would be lying if I said it's been an easy road.
Yeah.
Good at the challenges, like any other businesses. Mara, we persevere. That is why today it's still running.
I think you can, I'm not sure, before we go and get to know more about your business, what else do you do, or it's only the funeral service?
It's only the funeral service.
Your Nairobi.
Yes.
Right. Can you tell us kind of challenges that you do meet on the road, and how do you overcome those kind of challenges? Because there are those who want to start something today, but they think it is just walking the park. What kind of challenges do you meet while starting?
I won't say much about the challenges.
Yeah.
Because my husband is the one who started this business.
Okay.
It looks like I will the challenges, even if when it comes to funding, I the challenges. The challenges still business for you.
Okay. What kind of challenges? Because there's someone who's watching you today.
Things like customer is always right.
Okay.
You know, customer funeral so only to find the challenge is that nothing one stuff sometimes maybe company operate challenge the challenges so far like now mahakelelo vanhu vantima ka kutala a hi koti ku twisisa ku munhu fanele hakela every month munhu ta teka nkarhi loko a ta nkarhi n'wana ku lava mali ya mele yi nga hakela yo hala ndzhaku or a swi teka ku hi titsotsi nkarhi n'wana yena ko fika hakela a swi tekeni ku 5 months back a nga hakeli u expecta ku fanele hakela 5 months leyi hinkwayo kasi munhu fanele ku wa lapsa hi nkarhi wo karhi loko a nga hakeli kahle the challenges leti hlangana na tona ti tele ringosha
as nakamiko ti tele ringosha but loko swi endleka swo fana swilo swo fana ilapsa koloko hinkwako service liya ni hleta nga ku service leyi nga va yi fana na yale ka n'wehe and everything. How do you overcome those challenges? How do you maintain ku munhu loyi a tshami la mi swi endlisa ku
ti nyika nkarhi va hlamusela even if munhu a ri henhla swinene make it a point to most of them eat to joke after you say that.
I guess as much as the challenges that and the way you overcome those challenges, personally, how did you maintain it? I think I'm not sure your business day. How did you maintain it?
Again, I would say I'll be lying if I said it's been an easy road.
Okay.
Business, especially this kind of business, because it's something
Yeah.
it's not like something like shab sashing or whether only so now whether they are wrong or right, just because whether we're wrong or we're right, so but I'm happy to say that's why the business is still running.
So vanhu lava va endlaka ku business va yi famba kahle handle ka vona a swi ta swi nga ri fambi kahle. Beautiful. If you want to register a company like the one that we have today, which is Freeban Mutuari, that it's founded by the husband, Mrs. Zwane, and today the owner, as we all know, you can go to Bike Printers. They are based in Akonuk. They do company registration for 490, and they also do name change of company at 1,000, car branding at 2.5 up until 12,000, t-shirt printing from 30 rand up until 140, and you can get them at 078 2000 889. I repeat the number, 078 2000 889. They are based in Akonuk. The industry that you're in, it's male dominant. Kutale bashinuna. Lokutale bashinuna, it's not a secret to Queen. We don't look at women. How do you deal with such a condition when it's male dominant? Look business.
Supported for to believe we can do anything, or achieve anything that a man can achieve. It's not a matter of Monowashina or Washsat.
This is very interesting,
It's like atlasing. Number one of the number one. Flying colors, it's not a matter of Washsat. In fact,
and then
like this business. No one machine or not on the kilo machine. Look at me, I'm still here, and the business is still running.
That's the way you're still here and the business is still running. You are happy with everything that is happening.
I am happy, very happy.
I'm not to complain, not at all.
I'm not to complain. I used to, but now I don't have.
You used to? I'm a complainer.
Like fashion.
Yeah.
More especially the ukulele down here. Mara since you got the best service. You know, people they can see they can back. So I cannot complain.
Beautiful. As you are busy watching wherever you are, do not forget this is hashtag 60 minutes with Didi every Saturday. But tonight we're out in Akonuk getting to know Mrs. Zwane, founder and the director here, Freeban Funeral Service, that is based next to the plaza and the mall on the R40 road. Kokwana Taxi Rank, Akonuk. That's where the business is based. So now when you can come and get your service, getting to know more about her and whatever or however she has come thus far. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want nails and makeup, you can always go to Beauty 1360. They are based at Manapo Complex. Full color 250. Ombre nails is 300 rand. Refill it's 150. Gel overlay it's 150. Pedicure it's 150. So you can get them at Manapo Complex. you just mentioned a bit that because if it was not your employees, you were not gonna be this far, or you were not gonna be here today. But I believe there are those things that does happen during working hours or even after hours and everything. Can you just tell us, and you have a lot of employees, and sometimes you freelance outside for other people to come and help you if ever you have too many things that are happening in a weekend. How do you deal with such? And I know that you also have men in the company. How do you deal with such?
You know, staff listening are they are so supportive.
Yeah.
And also my husband is so supportive. Lero the idea yakuba ihlanganile la yendla ku tirhisana and ba hard working vanhu va yinaramo. Lero va endla ku vutomi byi va easy for me. Na loko ni ehleketa hi ku tala ntirhweni swi va easy for me, and then sometimes na yimisa ndhawu leyi na misa ku va ni va ni ri la ntirhweni hi ndlela leyi swi nga xiswona na vatirhi va nga xiswona.
So notsemba ku maybe 1 or 2 times bako beni abakhoma kahle bala tirhweni van'wana va langa vanhu ve no vela u famba la khampani me o. How do you deal with such people? As much as lava u nga na vona mudlayi no bara
so far a na loyi ni nga ku a famba. In fact loko ko va na loyi a fambaka kumbe ta kumbe nkateko kumbe ta ku khombo ra ku a famba ni ta vilela va swi tiva na vo nkarhi a na va byela nkarhi wun'wani ku na swi lava ku mi katekisiwa mi ya mari vatsongo mi explora mi ya tindhawini tin'wana since mi ri ti-breadwinners kumbe ku na kun'wana ku na madyelo ya rihlaza mara na va byela ni ku laha mi khoma nkarhi wun'wani va vula i va ejoke va ku hi chunchi ni ku not now hi ku hi tirhisana kahle vona ni tirha lavo kahle va kahle
lani I think ku na xin'wana xin'wana lexi kalaka hi byele xona mandzwana moyendla yini kahle as much as loko a mi tshama mi cacana wun'we vo ti fambela because you bless them and everything. What is it that is so special about you and your business actually for them to feel at home?
You know, hi ntumbuluko wa me I think ni lunghile ni kahle ni tiva munhu un'wana. Like for instance last week loko ni ta va ni celebrate 60th birthday ya mina ni va vonile na ku va ni vona ku ni munhu wa njhani va ze va nyikana a certificate lexi nga tsariwa everything swa ku support yini kindness everything va ze va ni byela ku a va lava ku ta sayina laya unfortunately va kume ku swi nga hlangahlangana ku komba ku va tsakela ndhawu leyi mhaka leswi ni nga va khomisa swona. I think hi leswi na leswi ni nga kurisa swona le ndzhaku hi swona swi endlaka ku ni tiva vanhu van'wana since hi tshame na vanhu va ku tala le kaya lero ni swi ve na a ni va nga na ku hlamala kumbe ku va na moya lowu wa ku vanhu lava se va tele se ni fanele ni behave hi ndlela yin'wana hi mhaka ku i swilo leswi ni nga suka na swona le ndzhaku leyi lero na loko ni va na bola na swi twisisa ku i vana va mina hi ku I think almost hinkwavo ka vo vatsongo ka mina lero ni va teka as vana va mina.
So they tend to be family.
Yes, and they are very open. Na me ni open ka vo xin'wana na xin'wana loko ri koho a hleka hi rivala na ku hi le ntirhweni loko ni ta ku byela ntiyiso hi chayisa hi 5 ba 5:30 ha ha ri hi nga yi voni hi mhaka ya leswi hi nga khomanisa xiswona.
As a leader, I think you have learned that if you have employees in your company, in your business, they must be your children, they must be your friends, they must be your family. Let them tend to be a family. I think that can assist you in whatever that you are doing, wherever you are. Start something and you turn those people into family. Right. If you want poster designers, the poster designer, we have Goldea Media. They are based in Tulamahash. They design posters and they also do custom-made magazine. They do newsletters, photo editing, book covers, video editing. You can contact them at 081 31 32 199. I repeat, 081 31 32 199. They are based in Tulamash. And if you have questions or compliments or comment that you want to send to Mrs. Zwane, you can always do that. Do not forget the platforms on Facebook. It's Dumisani Mathebula, on Instagram at mathebula.dumisani. Please watch it, and while you are busy, sharing it with other people. When I check my clock, we only have 25 minutes to wrap up everything. You and your husband, you are kind of a busy couple, let me say. But you have two businesses that are going. And when I was introduced that to say that you are a wife to Dr. Zonda, okay, so these two are busy. Can you take us through? How do you maintain your businesses and family, and also your relationship?
Relationship is we don't compete.
Okay.
We help each other. We encourage each other and support each other. It's what relationship.
Only that.
Only that.
I think you can repeat that. Like people need to hear that.
Yeah. I was saying we don't compete.
Yeah.
We help each other. We support each other.
Yeah.
And encourage each other. Yes.
I think someone might be wondering when you mention all those things.
Yeah.
Can you just in brief, when you talk of supporting your partner, what is it that you talk about? When you say you don't compete with your partner, what is it that you talking about?
Like for instance, Ben, he supports me. Like Nuri Al-Sule is the one who started this business. And I'm grateful for that. I mean, Ataba Ake business and supporting some of the things, the material things, is the one who bought them.
Okay.
And then Name support some of the things I support him.
Okay.
Yeah, like more special material now it's isolate. Now it depends on the patients. We don't complain. We know we're busy.
Okay.
Now if I late, I'm not complaining. Now if I late, I don't complain. So that's why we support each other.
Couple goals. That's what you always talk about. Couple goals. That's not what this couple made them to be successful. I'm not sure. Mara, do you sometimes go out?
We do.
Tell us more about that.
Like, for example, last week, Wednesday, it was my birthday.
Okay.
I'm turning 60 years.
Yeah.
It was a surprise. You know, my husband do respect until only to find Wednesday, and I believe we are forward because I'm and Zanga Master Species. The family we drive all the way from La to Nell Strait.
Okay.
And then we were there almost for about 3 to 4 hours. So while we were still waiting, but Sitiliana Katsonga Mietiniame.
So one buys this away.
Kulanga one buys because I think it was 20 past 3. We finally lawyer half past 3. Those 6 so we will go by the lawyer. Africa Angela. To my surprise, I'm also and saying, no, it's fine. So no matter all the way from April, and Sigana to patient, I tell him the sign. I said, no, it's fine. He's okay, then I am. You get up some example.
Check your time, Mama. Check your time.
It's okay, Achika and Salemo Vale. Loguna family, Logunuta, no one at 2 years to go to the yes, because she won't let it. Say, look at me, she got a wing and islands in that was a surprise. lero kuhuma huma kakutala problem i-COVID-19 lero this year andilishoko ngehumi maka ya-COVID-19 mara kufosteli yewandihumesa yeyahumesa kamina
I think you're learning something wherever you are, that as a couple, while you're busy supporting each other in whatever that you do, also you need pleasure, you need leisure. You should do that in collaborating whatever that you are doing. Let us come to Malebela wa ungamahlanganisa 6 years. Shibula yini leswani eka wehe na family kwayo na business?
Ndashibula ku inkateko.
Yeah.
Xin'wana lexi nga endla ku fika na ku tala a va fikanga van'wana va nge fiki vhele na mhaka ya ku rhangisa Xikwembu. Xikwembu hi xo xi endlaka hinkwaswo na business leri ni sure 100% sure ku ri ze ri fika leni nga koho hi pfuna hi Xikwembu. Loko a ku nga ri swona hinkwaswo leswi swi fatalarini hambi mehe ni nge nkarhi wun'wana na ku va kwala ni nga ha ri kona mara ku pfuna hi Xikwembu ze ni fika ka malembe ya 60 and ni sure ku ta fika eka 90 hikuva hi mali ya sweswi she's 93 se lexi nga ta stopa me ku fika ka yona
So
niyakona.
South Africa, we're still celebrating Women's Month. You are one of, let me say, or let me give you this title if maybe someone has never given this title. One of the prominent women that we have in South Africa. So why are we busy celebrating Women's Month?
Come again.
Celebrate a Women's Month. Yeah.
It means to yeri vavasati hi fanele hi believe ka hina vini hi nga tinyaji hi nga tisoli tanihiloko ri vavasati hi titshemba na ku hi nga swi kota ku achieve anything lexi hi xi lavaka misaveni. It's not a matter of vavasati kumbe ku na vavanuna lava fanelaka va achieve na hina as vavasati we can achieve anything lexi wanuna nga xi achieve.
Beautiful. I think you've heard that as a woman, young as you are. Remember, they fought for your 50-50 that you're living. They fought for that human rights that you are living for today, telling us that may be because this and that. That's what they fought for. Mama Ibla, you should wake up wherever you are. There's a new business in town, Boitis Laundry. This lady is based at Manapo Complex. Full laundry for all people, it's 150 manti yingwe. Half laundry, it's 100 rand. For children, it's 150. Kumba or blanket, it's 60 rand. Aku ayonela 40, it's 100 rand. Then half, it's 80 rand. Ironing impahla tabana, it's 80 rand. This is one of a lady, so you can get her at Manapo Complex. Tingubu, Tawena, Tipasaka. Mrs. One, as we are about to close everything that I was here or with the team were here for, can you let me just give you time and talk to that person who wants to start something? This person, he has the mind but doesn't have money. This person has the heart but doesn't have the plot. This person, he has the mind, but he doesn't know people all around. What can you say to that person who wants to start something?
What I can say is you can start today with whatever you have and stop self-doubt.
That's all you can say.
That's all I can say.
Beautiful. And if you want a photo shoot, you can go to Kama Vakamela Engine Court, Kama Vakamela Complex at the studio. For kids, they charge 20 rand, and for adults, they charge 25 rand. And wherever you are, do not forget this hashtag 60 minutes with DT on Facebook. It's Matebula. Or on Instagram, it's Matebula.Dumisani. On Facebook, Dumisani Matebula. While we're busy talking to Mrs. Zwane here, right? There's COVID-19 that the whole world, I believe even you business people, you may affect it somehow.
When it comes to COVID-19, business things like burial and preparations have changed. You know, even the way we protect ourselves has changed. It protect in such a way you know, it is a PPE clothes. It is so when it comes to this gender-based violence, I need to say, it really breaks my heart. As parents, I think it's our duty to teach our sons order when it comes to women. And they need to know women are not their enemies, but they are their friends. They need to be respected in other ways. Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Mrs. Zwane, founder and the director of Freeburn Mortuary. I believe you heard it from her, whatever that she has for us. Kamatambia Sigurana Muka. Mrs. Zwane, before we go, can you just give us a your last words? What can you say overall in whatever that we're talking about?
Loko kari hanya la misaveni hi ri hinkwerhu a ku na nchumu lowu nga wu kotaka handle ka ku rhangisa Xikwembu.
Amen.
Whether i swa misava leyi kwala misaveni leswi hi swi endlaka, whether i swa ntirho, whether i anything, loko u lava ku kota ku humelela la misaveni rhangisa Xikwembu ku u ta kota ku hlula kumbe ku kota leswi u lavaka ku swi achieve la misaveni, whether u ntsongo kumbe ukulu, xin'wana na xin'wana xi lava rhangisa Xikwembu. And hi tshika Mnandi na youth. Mnandi hi yo yi dlayaka. And mi ta tikuma mi tele hi nkarhi wun'we ka Mnandi. Mara lexi salaka u ta tikuma u ri one ka ku twa ku vava. Lava a wu ti iphina na voho na ku ku tiva va ta ku fularhela va endlekaka a va ku tivi kumbe va zanga va ku tivi. Lero na mhaka ya xikolo a hi yeni exikolweni hi dyondza. Hi respecta mathicara ya hina ku hi ta kota ku dyondza. Once u respecta thicara wa wena u ta kota ku dyondza xikolweni. A hi rhandzeni xikolo, a hi laveni dyondzo, a ku na xin'wana xa ku tlula dyondzo. Ku mi ta kota ku hanya, mi kota ku hanya vutomi bya kahle, mi nga vi na mona. The more u nga yi xikolweni, I mean to say, loko u nga yi xikolweni, lava va nga xikolweni loko va heta va va na swa vona u ta va na mona va bonga. Kasi swi onhakele endzhaku leyi a hi lunghiseni swilo, nkarhi wa ha pfumela wa ha kona, nkarhi wa hela.
Khensi Mrs. Zwane, nkarhi wa n'wina na ku pfumelela ku hi nghena exitandini xa n'wina hi endla leswi a hi ta endla swona namuntlha. Wishing all the best from the team ya hashtag 60 minutes with Didi. Ladies and gentlemen, do not forget the show is proudly brought to you by Ngazi and also Aitireni Holdings. Yes, how can I forget? Exclusive. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, mothers and fathers, wherever you are, let's meet next week again for another interesting episode where we're going to be talking to Ayanda Matebula and we're going to be talking to Vuisile Ayanda Mhlanga while they're taking us on their journey of business. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, mothers and fathers, this is hashtag 60 minutes with Didi. Do not forget to follow us on YouTube. It's Didi Matebula. Facebook, Didi Matebula, Dumisani Matebula, and yes, on Instagram at matebula.dumisani. Ladies and gentlemen, good night. We love you.